The United Kingdom, with its rich blend of history, breathtaking landscapes, and vibrant culture, offers endless opportunities for exploration. From lively cities to ancient wonders, each location tells its own story. Let's dive into the top 10 must-visit places in the UK that capture the essence of this remarkable country. 1. London, the heart of England, is a city that captures both modern energy and deep-rooted history. Begin your journey at the Tower of London, where you can explore over 1,000 years of British history and get a glimpse of the crown jewels. Cross the iconic Tower Bridge, offering stunning views of the River Thames, and venture to Buckingham Palace to witness the famous Changing of the Guard. For art and history lovers, the British Museum is a treasure trove, housing artifacts from ancient Egypt to Renaissance Europe. In the evening, stroll along the South Bank, enjoying street performances, riverside dining, and a view of the glittering London Eye. 2. Edinburgh, the capital of Scotland, is a city brimming with historical charm and cultural depth. The majestic Edinburgh Castle, standing tall on Castle Rock, offers panoramic views and insights into Scotland's royal past. Wander down the Royal Mile, a lively street lined with unique shops, cafes, and historic landmarks, connecting the castle with the Palace of Holyrood House. If you're up for a hike, climb Arthur's Seat, an ancient volcano that rewards you with sweeping views of the city. Visiting in August? The Edinburgh Festival takes over the city with art, music, and performances, making it an experience like no other. 3. Stonehenge. In the serene countryside of Wiltshire, Stonehenge awaits as one of the world's most mysterious and iconic prehistoric monuments. This ring of standing stones, over 4,500 years old, has puzzled historians and archaeologists for centuries. Walking around Stonehenge, you can feel the ancient energy of the place. The visitor center nearby offers interactive displays, explaining the significance and theories surrounding this remarkable site. Enjoy a walk around the beautiful surrounding plains for a deeper connection to this ancient marvel. 4. The Lake District, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is a picturesque national park in northwest England. Known for its breathtaking lakes, mountains, and valleys, it's a haven for nature lovers. Lake Windermere, the largest lake in England, invites visitors for boat rides and scenic picnics. Hike through trails around Grasmere and Ambleside, charming villages that offer cozy cafes, local crafts, and the poetry of William Wordsworth. Beyond the lakes, explore towering peaks like Scafell Pike, perfect for those seeking adventure. The Lake District is a place where you can lose yourself in nature's beauty. 5. Bath, a city with roots dating back to Roman times, is known for its beautiful architecture and relaxing hot springs. Start with a tour of the Roman baths, where ancient Romans once soaked in mineral-rich waters. Just steps away, the Bath Abbey offers a magnificent example of Gothic architecture. Stroll along the charming streets and take in the grandeur of the Royal Crescent, an iconic row of Georgian houses. Book a spa day at the modern Thermi Bath Spa, where you can enjoy rooftop views of the city while soaking in natural hot springs. Bath's atmosphere is perfect for history buffs and those seeking a serene getaway. 6. Oxford and Cambridge. These two renowned university towns are rich in academic tradition and architectural beauty. In Oxford, visit the historic Bodleian Library, one of the oldest libraries in Europe, and marvel at the stunning architecture of the University of Oxford's colleges. Don't miss the Ashmolean Museum, filled with art and archaeological finds. In Cambridge, take a punt down the River Cam for a leisurely experience of the college buildings and lush gardens. Both towns are also dotted with cafes, bookstores, and historic pubs, making them perfect places to explore and soak in the scholarly atmosphere. 7. Cardiff. Cardiff, the lively capital of Wales, is a city full of history and modern attractions. Begin at Cardiff Castle, where ancient walls and towers tell tales of medieval times and royal histories. Explore the city's cultural hub, the Wales Millennium Centre, known for its striking architecture and variety of performances. Cardiff Bay is perfect for a relaxed afternoon, with waterfront dining, a vibrant shopping area, and views of the sea. Don't miss the chance to try Welsh specialties like cawl, a hearty stew, and Welsh cakes. Cardiff is a city that combines history, culture, and a love for the arts. 8. Giant's Causeway. The Giant's Causeway in Northern Ireland is a natural wonder that captivates visitors with its unique landscape. Made up of over 40,000 hexagonal basalt columns formed by volcanic activity, the causeway has inspired myths of giants and ancient battles. The rugged cliffs and rolling waves create an awe-inspiring coastal scene, and the visitor center provides insights into the geological processes that shaped this marvel. Walk along the pathways to explore the cliffs and experience the stunning views of the Northern Irish coastline. 9. Liverpool. Liverpool is famous worldwide as the birthplace of the Beatles, and it's a city with a vibrant cultural scene. Visit the Beatles Story, a museum dedicated to the legendary band, and take a stroll along the Royal Albert Dock, a historic area with galleries, restaurants, and shops. Liverpool's music scene is still thriving, and you can catch live performances at various venues around the city. For art enthusiasts, Tate Liverpool showcases contemporary art in a beautiful setting. Liverpool offers a mix of history, music, and lively nightlife, making it a must-visit for anyone who loves culture and creativity. 10. The Scottish Highlands. The Scottish Highlands are a land of dramatic landscapes, from towering mountains to serene lochs. Start your adventure at Loch Ness, where you might catch a glimpse of the elusive Nessie, the Loch Ness Monster. Venture to the Isle of Skye. Known for its rugged coastline, waterfalls, and iconic rock formations like the Old Man of Storr. Outdoor enthusiasts can hike the trails of Ben Nevis, the highest peak in the UK, or enjoy a scenic drive through Glencoe Valley with its dramatic landscapes and rich history. The Highlands offer an escape into the beauty of untouched nature. The UK offers an incredible range of experiences, from the historic charm of London to the natural wonders of the Highlands. With every destination, you'll find history, culture, and beauty in every corner. Which of these incredible places will you explore first? Let us know in the comments below. And if you loved this journey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more adventures.